cycle. So let us first discuss what is valve timing diagram. The valve timing diagram shows the position of the crank when the various operations, either suction, compression, expansion, and exhaust begin or end. Valve timing diagram is the regulation of the positions in the cycle at which the valves are set to open and close. It is a graphical representation used for opening and closing, also known as inhale and exhale process of an engine. The engine's valve is like a nose. It comprises in 360-degree its opening and closing depending upon the movement of the piston from TDC to VDC is controlled setting of the piston by graphical representation is called valve timing diagram. So the movement of the piston or TDC to VDC is provided with valve timing in flow stroke and in pour timing in flow stroke engine. Theoretical and actual cycle conditions. Suction and exhaust valve opens or closes either at VDC or TDC in theoretical case. Suction and exhaust takes place 180-degree rotation of the crank. Compression and expansion also takes place through 180-degree rotation of the crank. Ignition occurs at TDC. But in actual case, valve does not open or close at TDC or VDC due to two main reasons. One is known as mechanical factor and second one is known as dynamic factor. So mechanical factor means valves are made of mechanical elements. It requires a finite period of time to open or close without abruptness. A slight lead time is necessary for proper operation. Hence, inlet valve opens before TDC. In case of high-speed engine, it is nearly in the range of 40 to 50 degree, and low-speed engine, it is 20 to 25 degree. The second one is known as dynamic factor. Kinetic energy of the charge produces a ram effect, which packs more charge into the cylinder during this additional valve opening. Hence, inlet valve closing is delayed. So because of these two reasons, in actual engine, valve does not open either at TDC or VDC. This diagram shows the theoretical valve timing diagram for 4-stroke SI engine. As it is very clear that this is the position of top dead center and this one is bottom dead center. Here, inlet valve opens at TDC and it closes in VDC. As the exhaust valve opens at VDC and closes at TDC. But in actual case, the opening and closing of the valve takes place either or before TDC or VDC. This diagram shows the actual valve timing diagram for low speed 4-stroke spark ignition engine. In this diagram, it is clear that inlet valve opens 5 degree before TDC and it closes 25 degree after VDC. So the total duration of valve opening of inlet valve is 180 degree plus this 5 degree before TDC is known as valve lead and this 25 degree known as valve lag. So this 25 plus 5 plus 180 degree. It means it remains open for 210 degree nearly. And similarly, the exhaust valve opens 55 degree before VDC and it closes 8 degree after VDC. For some period, both valve remains open and this is known as valve overlap. This diagram is 5 degree plus 8 degree, 13 degree is known as valve overlap. So this valve overlap should not be excessive. Otherwise, some trace charges may leave the engine. The valve timing diagram is different for different engine. For low speed engine, this value is different, and high speed engine value is also different. Similar to valve timing diagram, in case of two-stroke engine, we use port timing diagram because valve mechanisms are not used in two-stroke engine. This diagram shows the opening and closing of inlet and exhaust